Stitch, you want me to pet you some more? Hey, Jenny. Hey, Jenny. Oh, I got to pet her a little bit.
Stella.
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 Yeah. Stitch.
What you doing, Russ? What you doing, Russ?
Russ?
Russ and Retta.
Oh, yeah. I thought, did you change it?
No.
Oh.
Russ and Retta.
Stitch, what are you doing?
Oh, they're hungry, Mama.
Oh, they're hungry.
They want to eat, Mama.
Cajun. Cajun.
Do they want to eat, Mama? What you doing, Stitchy Poo?
Mom, would you mind if I show your face?
No, I'd rather you didn't.
Oh, I'm trying not to. What you doing, Cajun? Stitch, Stella, the babies, and Jenny.
What are you doing, Retta?
Retta.
Watch, she'll jump up on her mama's back.
Retta.
Maybe. She's done it before.
She has?
Yeah. She just jumps up on her back and stands there.
Aw. We need to put some toys in here for them.
They need stuff to jump on.
Yeah. You should move that dog in here. What you doing? My mom didn't want thousands of baby goats running around, so she kind of got rid of Stella's first baby and Scooter. Yeah.
Don't show it.
Okay. Stitch had something wrong with him, and like sometimes
He's
actually,
allergic to something.
yeah, he's allergic to something, and it makes his back raw, like horrible. It happened once, and we didn't know what was going on. It went away, but now it's back.
And no, it's not Ringot. He's allergic to something.
Okay. Come here, Stella. 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 Oh. Stella, come here.
What do you think, old man? What do you think, old man?
I miss Smokey, Mom.
Yeah, me too.
What do you think?
Stitch, what you doing? Jenny.
Stitchy Poo. I love you, Stitchy Poo.
Jenny. Aww. This is the first ever time Jenny's let me pet her.
What you doing, Jenny? What you doing, Jenny?
Stella. Come here. Don't bite me. Come here. Oh,
They're hungry, Mama.
they're hungry.
There you go. Get a picture of that. Get a recording of them eating.
Okay. I don't know if YouTube will allow this.
Well, yeah, they will. It's natural.
I guess.
Let them eat, Mama.
Let them eat.
All right.
My aunt said it would be a good idea for me to record these with the goats. So that's what I'm doing. There's Cajun.
Cajun, I'm sitting down.
Here's Stitch and there's Jenny.
What are you doing?
Stella. Stitch. Hey Stella. I don't have any cookies. Oh.
What are you doing, Stella?
What? We're heading up to the house, so yeah, that will be the end of this video. Goodbye, everyone. Just for the road.